Snoring is not a vibe and sleep is everything. Meet your new bedtime buddy, the magnetic anti-snore nose clip. This clip boosts airflow, making snoring a thing of the past. It gently dilates your nostrils, making breathing effortless. Say goodbye to noisy nights and hello to peaceful slumber. Slides in easily, feels like a dream while you sleep. Made from soft silicone, super comfy and barely visible. Not just for sleep, great for jogging or hiking too. Helps keep your breathing smooth even when it's cold. Don't snooze on this deal. Grab your pack today.